Best dirty rice dinner recipe idea.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this amazingly delicious, quick and easy dinner. It is a dirty rice recipe idea, and I do hope you guys love this recipe. I mean, these days I'm just all about quick and easy for real. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So to a clean pan, I added some grapeseed oil, and I'm going to add my aromatics here. Not to worry, everything that I'm using will be in the description box. After about 2 minutes, I go in with my mince meat, and I'm using beef here. Make sure that it's cooked down, then I go in with my seasoning. Then my bell peppers. I add a little bit of butter. Then my washed long grain rice, and I'm using basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. After about 4 minutes, I go in with some stock in water. Now here you can adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. Alright, and this is what it looks like when it is done. This was so easy, it took about 35 minutes and dinner was served. So I do hope you guys love this video. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Be kind to yourself, and please be kind to others as well. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.